Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the front lip by EVBASE has arrived. Of course, just like the carbon fiber piece for my center console has arrived very well packaged. Already lifted up this, but just wanted to show you. Very well packaged here. They take great care of their products. And again, linked in the description box below, top link will be this exact same front lip as well as their other accessories by EVBASE. And also remember that top link, use the coupon code for anything on their website, Cybertruck accessories, Tesla accessories, 20% discount. That's a good discount for you guys. And once again, everything is in the top links in the description box right below this video, as well as the pinned comment. So let's go ahead and get on in this and make sure you watch the whole video through and then go shopping afterwards. So we have quite a few accessories in here, or I should say, just mounting hardware. So it's going to give you a couple different options. It's going to give you self-tapping screws, or it's going to give you adhesive tape. So whatever you want, if you want a little bit more of just a taped on or your self-tapping screws. And it actually has it right here. So when installing, always apply the adhesion promoter to both the product and the vehicle where the double-sided tape will contact. Otherwise, the tape may peel off. If you prefer not to use self-tapping screws, you can apply the no-drill adhesive to the contact surfaces, then hold up the front lip in place on the car for 24 hours before driving. Using self-tapping screws is faster and more convenient if you are going to be using the self-tapping screws. If a small triangle double-sided tape is not available, you can use the spare double-sided tape as a replacement. So just a couple little heads up for you on that one. I probably will not be using the self-tapping screws, and so I probably will only use the adhesive. But let's go ahead and take a little look. So here again is all of our adhesive triangles right here, as well as thin, and then some other little portion of it right there. We're going to get this out of the sunshine in just a second, but I do want to lift this up and let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this. And there is a tutorial manual video. You just scan the QR code for easy installation. Alrighty, even my dog Bria likes it so far. We're looking absolutely fantastic. Comes in 3 different pieces. I have it on wide angle lens right now for filming purposes, but let's go ahead and remove one of these and show you what it looks like here. So we have a little adhesive tape. Okay, so that's tucked in the corner there. And then we have our little piece. This is the right-hand side piece that goes into this area right here. Now you will need your screws to go ahead and piece this together, but then it's giving you the option to use your self-tapping screws to mount it to your current front bumper right here as well. Same thing applies. That's another separate piece over here on this side. And obviously very light because it is just ABS plastic as well. A good quality to it, but not flimsy, but not heavy, bulky by any means. So we will have to prep the truck, wash it because I will be using the adhesive tape. We'll go ahead and wash the bumper, let it dry. I am going to be driving it, so I do want to let it sit as per instructions of 24 hours. Let that adhesive really latch on there. So let's go ahead and get started. We are actually in Colorado right now. It's a little cold in the shop. I do have heat, but I don't typically run it. I just throw on a jacket. We have the 2025 Cybertruck here in front of me here. It is definitely dirty. I have just come back from a long road trip with it. And if you haven't watched that video already, I have already reviewed the center console carbon fiber armrest from EVBASE. I highly recommend that. The reason why is this girl right here, she actually would put her paws and she would put her head on the front console while we are driving, and bless her heart, I wouldn't have to worry about putting a towel down with the factory center console rest for my right arm right here. I am going to try to get my hands on, hi baby, I'm going to try to get my hands on the rear one because there is a front piece. Watch that video. I'll have linked it below as well. But also I'm trying to get my hands on the rear piece. Sometimes when we unload after this long road trip, she doesn't want to get left behind. Anyway, what I'm getting at is 20% off anything on EVBASE's website. Again, direct link for that. % off will be in the description box right below the video and pinned comment. I know, baby. I know you're excited. Let's put on the front lip. Let's take this thing from stock and we're going to title this, Does It Slap or Should We Take a Nap? Let's take this thing from stock to beautiful. All right. So again, we started in San Clemente, California on a beautiful patio, and now we are back in Colorado. Okay. So make a long story short, I would have got this video up quicker, but I was traveling and I I didn't have my compact driver drill. First thing you're going to start with, they give you a couple extra. These are very small. Smallest out of the 2 screws. You're going to attach the piece over here, and the screw goes 1, 2, and over here on this side 1, 2. Again, it's 3 pieces like we already saw. Simply flip it around, and again, this is where it attaches right here, and then on the back is going to be your screws right there, 1, 2, same as the other side. Obviously making sure the lip looks like that there. Connect it, put those 2 screws in. There's your screws right there, super small. Now this is your larger screw right here. If you want to use the self-tapping screws, they are going to be, let's count them here. There should be only, I think, 5 points of contact. So it's going to be 1 right here. There's going to be 2 in the middle right here. And there's going to be, again, another 1 over here on this side of the lip right here. If it's not going to be too intrusive with small holes underneath my bumper, I'll go ahead and just do the 5 self-tapping screws. I might even put on the adhesive at least here in the middle, and then the big triangles over here on this side, as well as the little middle, and then just the triangle there on that side, just to, I don't know, maybe give it a little bit more. Let's get underneath the Cybertruck, see what we got. All right, so I'm actually going to try it without using the screws. It's just such a clean piece of plastic underneath. I'd rather not. Truck is still under warranty. It's not going to void my warranty that I know of, but I'd rather just have double adhesive tape. But do remember that you can't drive the truck for 24 hours to let that really hold. Now, again, remember they do give you, I'm just going to label them like H's. There's H's. That's in the center. You only need 1 of them. It's going to go right here, double-sided tape, and then you're going to have your triangles, your big triangles. You only need 2 of them. They give you 4 of them, and the triangles are going to go right here and down on the edge right there. Once again, big triangle is going to be right here. Middle H is going to be right here. And then again, the other side, the big triangle as well. Now, it was kind of hard to find in the box, but in the foam of the box is going to be the promoter. If you're going to be using this, you need the promoter. Before you attach the double-sided tape, you're going to use the promoter on this side of the lip, as well as the underside where it latches onto right there. Now, off camera, because of the road trip, I actually washed the underbelly of it with a couple rags, then used isopropyl alcohol to clean that fully, but I still will use the promoter. There is 6 of these, and it's tucked in the foam, so look like underneath the foam. That's where mine was. I already threw all the packaging away, but they're just tucked in a little slip in the foam, so make sure that you find these. I have 6 of them. Now, directions do state, if in your box you don't have any tape for the small triangles, which is right here, there's just a little small little triangle where the screw would go in if you're going to be putting screws, and I don't have those small triangles. So what I'm going to use is the small little double-sided tape that came with the front lip. I'll show that to you in just a second. I'm going to grab some gloves. I'm going to go ahead and, again, wipe the promoter on this here, everywhere where the double-sided tape is going to go. My bumper, the middle here, the middle of the bumper where it's going to go there as well. And then we'll attach the triangles. Alrighty, so we applied it on the large triangle as well as the small triangle for this side. And we'll go ahead and just kind of peel off the edges here. And then what we're going to do, since I'm all alone, we're going to attach it, and then we'll go ahead and leave it again 24 hours. Obviously, apply the triangle in the proper manner here. So we're going to go just like this here, and setting that down there. And I need to go grab my gloves, so I'm using a good old Ziploc bag. That's actually pretty sticky, so I think that's going to be just fine without the screws, but again, the screws are super fast if you just want to get that done. Now I'll get some scissors and just lay a little triangle down here in the small triangle next to the big triangle. Alrighty, so the promoter is on underneath the pressure points. All the red tape is pulled off. Don't forget about right in your corners, you're going to have some red tape right and left edges. The middle, remove all the red portion of it. Now, it's going to be gray. It is going to be your double-sided area. Okay, so with our promoter already on there, the easiest thing to do, now if you have a helper, cool. If not, no worries. But you're going to gently get into it right here, propping that up, and then coming around the edges right there and right there. And again, once you kind of have it in place, kind of latch it up, and then we're going to have to go get our frog tape, and then go ahead and just kind of of hold it in place for a little bit of time if you can. Again, a helper is nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of hold it right where those pressure points are, about maybe 30, 60 seconds. You could even use your leg if your arms get a little tired. And then all I would do is just kind of put some pressure on that side. Let's move to the middle. And lastly, going over here to this side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look here. So definitely with a helper would be nice, but let me show you how I'm going to brace this overnight, and we're looking absolutely fantastic. So first and foremost, now obviously it is chilly, so there is expansion, contraction, even with plastics. So the right side, because I got to that quicker, we're looking absolutely fantastic, and I was able to hold that up. Middle's looking absolutely fantastic. Now, the only thing I had going on right here was my small little triangle area right below here was not touching, and I used a jack with some papers for protection, and I just jacked it up so the small triangle could get contact and stay there. And then this edge over here was kind of not sticking as it should. So what I did is I put a little pack of playing cards. I couldn't find any wood that small, and then just leaned up some heavy weights on it. I wasn't getting good traction adhesiveness with the frog tape. So what this is going to do is this is going to put pressure on the edge right here, being able to latch in, and we will keep that again overnight. I will not drive this truck for 24 hours, and we'll let it go ahead and sit like this here. Again, not too much pressure, but enough pressure to get that small triangle nice and locked into place right there. And then again, after 24 hours, we will let it go and we will drive it. Now, it's going to be a lot easier if you wanted to just drill into it. The adhesive isn't that bad. It just takes more time with the promoter, etc. Now, in the perfect world, I would actually do both, but you don't necessarily have to. But I'm just showing you what I've done. Anyway, first impressions, it looks really nice and not over aggressive and not under aggressive either, which is really nice. It gives you a nice little lip to it here, matching. Now, obviously, I do want to wash this up here and get some sunshine shots for you. Say that fast 3 times. But as you can see here, looking great, lipping out a little bit right here. Again, where the stock one was. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's wrap up this video of this beautiful lip right here. Again, subtle but sleek, and sorry for my shadow. This time of day, my truck is dirty, but the lip is looking absolutely fantastic. Where I set up the action to be able to press in, that has done a very nice job with the sticky double-sided tape. Again, didn't use any screws. I've been driving it around for half a day now. Out in the city, I've been doing freeway speed, 65 miles an hour or so, some parts, and it is cold. It's like 43 degrees right now, and it has held up absolutely fantastic. I think when I put it on, I think my shop was probably similar, maybe 50 degrees in there or so. Obviously, it will probably stick a little bit better, and probably don't need to use any like other little press ends, especially if you do have a helper. What I would actually do, if you have the proper amount of helpers, I would have someone over here, I would have someone in the middle, and I would have someone over here all at the same time, lifting it up and just holding it in place for, 30 seconds, a minute, something like that. But it looks super clean, not over aggressive, not under aggressive. And so let's get some close-up shots here. And I definitely like it. Now I just need to wash my truck so it matches cleanly with the black on black, because that is road trip, thousands of miles worth of dirt right around here as well as here. Not to mention some bird poop on the stainless steel. So let's get you some close-up shots. All right, let me try not to get my shadow in the shot, but again, it wraps around right here and then going all the way around. Look at that beautiful center area right there, and then coming around with it, lipping out just a little bit, and then around right here. Oh, that looks good. Look at that side profile. Let's get you that side profile right there. Let's get you coming back around here to the front. Look at that, looking super clean. And then forgive my shadow, but coming around here to this side right here. I like what I'm seeing, folks. I like what I'm seeing. Let me show you the carbon fiber armrest real quick. So I love this thing. Watch my full video. I didn't even use the double-sided tape, and this thing has stuck perfectly on my original factory stock armrest. And the reason why I love this so much is that my dog jumps in the front seat. She puts her head and her paws on this, and I don't have to worry. This is still factory right here. So factory, it kind of embeds a little bit, and her paws definitely could scratch that up. So I'm actually trying to get a hold of the company, and I want to review their rear piece right here to match this, because there is, obviously, it doesn't look bad at all, but it's carbon, and I want it carbon back here as well. But it lifts up the same. Everything is the same, tucks underneath underneath here. It's a beautiful piece. This is real carbon fiber. It's so durable. My dog jumps over it, puts her paws on it, her head on it. Like I said, I don't have to worry about putting down a towel. I literally set this on here. It slips off if I ever upgrade to a newer model in a couple years from now. I don't have the double-sided tape on there. You can if you want to. I haven't had any movement issues. Great product as well. 20% off. Use your link below. Well, ladies and gentlemen, just like what we discussed in the video, if you want to get this same lip, not to mention my center console carbon fiber armrest, 20% off anything EVBASE offers on their website. It doesn't have to be for Cybertruck. It can be for Model Y, Model S, Model X, whatever they offer. I don't know if they offer, I think they offer other models as well, not just Teslas. So if you want 20% off, again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment of this video. Go over, use that link, get 20% off, shop around a little bit. The front lip is awesome. The carbon fiber center console is awesome. I think they even make this lip in, I don't think it's carbon fiber, but it's a carbon fiber color. I was trying to get my hands on that one, but this was the only one ready to ship at the proper time. So stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed. Thumbs that video up because I will be reviewing more products by EVBASE. It is chilly out here. I'm going to jump back in the warm truck. Thank you for your time. Make sure you are subscribed. Your links are below. My name's Chris. I'll see you on the next video.